Hey there, future YouTubers. YouTube's huge, like really huge. It's a platform where millions of creators share their passions, ideas, and stories every single day. It's where everyone goes to watch, learn, and laugh. Could be cat videos that make you giggle uncontrollably. Could be rocket science tutorials that blow your mind with new knowledge. You have something to share, right? Of course you do. YouTube's your stage, time to shine. But here's the thing, it's a crowded stage. With so many voices, how do you make yours heard? How do you stand out in this sea of content? How do you make your mark and get noticed? How do you get people to hit subscribe and smash that like button? It's not just about the content, it's about connecting with your audience. Well, my friends, the answer lies in the magic of AI. Artificial intelligence can help you understand trends, optimize your videos, and reach the right audience. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. With AI, you can create smarter, more engaging content that stands out. So, are you ready to take the stage? Think of AI as your tiny assistant director, working tirelessly behind the scenes to make your vision come to life. Need help editing videos? AI's got you covered. There are tools like Capwing and Pictory that can trim your footage, add subtitles, even create cool animations. These tools are designed to make your editing process smoother and more efficient, all with the power of AI. Ever spent hours editing, only to feel exhausted and frustrated? AI can take over those tedious tasks, allowing you to focus on the creative aspects of your project. AI says, "Hold my beer." Imagine having a tireless assistant that never sleeps, never takes breaks, and is always ready to help you out. It's like having a team of editors working 24/7, but without the coffee breaks and complaints. They work around the clock to ensure your project is perfect. And trust me, they won't judge your shaky camera work. AI can stabilize your footage, making it look professional and polished. So, next time you're editing, remember, your tiny assistant director is always there to help. Now, you've got a great video, but how do people find it? Enter the world of SEO or search engine optimization. Sounds complicated? It doesn't have to be. AI tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ are your secret weapons. These tools analyze your videos and tell you exactly what keywords to use. Keywords are like magic spells that make your videos appear when people search for stuff on YouTube. With AI, you'll be a keyword wizard in no time. Section 4, Know Your Audience. Thanks, AI Analytics. Ever wonder who's watching your videos? AI knows. YouTube Analytics, powered by AI, gives you all the juicy details. It tells you who's watching, what they like, and what makes them click that skip button. Knowing your audience is key. Are they teenagers obsessed with the latest dance craze? Or maybe they're grandmas who love knitting tutorials? AI Analytics tells you so you can give the people what they want. Section 5, AI Superstars, they're already winning. Don't just take my word for it. Look at Mr. Beast, Mark Rober, and those folks from Dude Perfect. They're all using AI to level up their YouTube game. They're not afraid to experiment, and neither should you. AI helps them create better content, reach more people, and build massive communities. And guess what? You can do it too. Section 6. Jump on the AI train. Your future self will thank you. Look, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. From smart homes to self-driving cars, AI is transforming every aspect of our lives. It's not just a trend, it's a revolution. Embracing these tools isn't just a good idea, it's essential for any aspiring YouTuber. AI can help you understand your audience better, optimize your content, and even predict trends before they happen. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying, you get more views and subscribers. Imagine having an assistant that works 24/7, analyzing data, and giving you insights to improve your channel. So, what are you waiting for? The tools are at your fingertips, and the possibilities are endless. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, AI can be your secret weapon. Dive into the world of AI and watch your YouTube channel soar. With AI, you can streamline your workflow, create more engaging content, and reach a wider audience. And hey, if you become the next big thing, remember who gave you the tip. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. Just kidding. Or am I? The future is bright, and with AI, it's even brighter. So jump on the AI train now, and your future self will definitely thank you.